guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Welcome back. My name is Brooklyn Kamari. If you're new here and you've never seen this face before, I post content whenever I want to. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a visual diary. It's something that I've seen on YouTube many times, and I've always wanted to create my own. I'm trying to get in the process of not talking when it comes to filming certain shots, so it's just like put music over it, edit it, you know, make it look nice. But it's gonna be my first time trying it out. So we're gonna see how it goes, and I'm just gonna talk to you guys. I'm about to do a hair mask on my locks. It's currently 5:14 p.m. and I thought, why not come on here and film a little vlog today, just to kind of talk to you guys and have a chill video. I'm not gonna be doing much. I'm gonna be staying in the house. I'm not gonna make a to-do list. We're just gonna go about the day. That's what I'm trying to learn how to do, just go and take it day by day. So I just want to show you guys my nails. So I just did these blue French tip nails, and they have little cherries. Yeah, so we're just gonna be having a chill day, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me as we chill and vibe and just have a good day. Okay, so let's get into the video.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. You no. I've been thinking about you. You no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
Stop the cap.
I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought
Hey guys, so in that last clip you just seen me doing the dishes. The kitchen is officially clean, which is amazing. I took the bag off my head and my scarf because I went outside to take the trash out. I wish my hair hung like this like on a day-to-day basis, but it's not. I'm about to hop in the shower, wash my hair out. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get out so we can go on with the rest of our day. What my hair is looking like. It is so amazing right now, and it's freshly washed state. Okay, I already did my skincare, put lotion on my legs. I want to show you guys what lotion I like to use. The secret is in the seed, sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body moisturizer. Hydrate and refresh. This stuff right here, this stuff will have you smell real fruity. Okay, it smells absolutely amazing. It's perfect for summer. You can mix it in with a good body oil or body shimmer, you know what I mean? Put this on your feet. You can, this stuff works so good. Normally other lotions like Jergens, I don't trust just putting that on my feet. I have to mix it with Vaseline or a lotion when I'm wearing sandals. But with this, for one, it smells absolutely amazing, and two, it keeps your skin moisturized, soft, and just absolutely glowy. So I can put this on my shoes. I can put this on my feet and not have to worry about feeling ashy or dried out or just yucky, you know what I mean? And worried about my heels being ashy or in between the toes. I know y'all been there. Y'all been there at your feet and in between the toes was crusty. It happens. This is just what we're looking like. I did my skincare, brushed my teeth, washed my face. I washed my face in the shower just to save some time. So I am about to do something with my hair. I'm about to just pretty much just cover it up, but I want to put something in it. So I like to use the Jamaican Black Castor Restore and Repair 10-in-1 leave-in spray for all curl types. This is what it looks like. As you can see, there is not a lot left. I've been using this ever since I did my locks, and my hair has grown a lot. So I'm gonna just, I hate the way this stuff sprays. So normally I'll just take the cap off and just dump it in my hair, but since there's such little left, we're trying to spare some until I can buy some more. Actually, I'm gonna just dump it in my hand. This is taking too long. It's very watery. See how it's sliding? It's not as like a thick cream. That works just fine for my locks. I'm also going to be putting in the hair oil by that same exact brand. And once again, as you can see, there's this much left. So we're just gonna turn it upside down until something comes out. If this don't come out fast enough, I'm gonna just use some regular grease. But I'm not really particular about what I use on my hair. Cause like I don't exactly know what to use. I've seen like tutorials, videos where they're like, oh, use rose water and glycerin and things like that. Yeah, I have glycerin, but I don't have rose water. But I thought I had some. This is for your face. It has rose water in it, but it also has witch hazel. I don't want to sound dumb or nothing, but like, can you put witch hazel in your? I don't know. Let me just stop talking. Anyway, so I'm gonna just put this on the vital parts, the front and the back of my neck, because not a lot of it came out. But this oil is super duper lightweight and it smells amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm trying to style it so I can get like a good like shot of my hair. Honestly, I just like to put on my silk scarf, really put a hair tie on my hair unless I'm trying to like stretch it for like a specific hairstyle. But since I'm not, I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna tie it, and then I'm gonna put on my bonnet. I just freshly washed this thing 2 days ago and I haven't been wearing it since, but we're just gonna pull it down so you can see some of the scarf. I love when you can see part of the scarf. I'm like, oh, like I really did so. Next, I'm just gonna put some of this lotion on. I need to put my house shoes on, y'all. I'm walking out here barefoot. Like I didn't just take an everything shower. It turned into an everything shower. That wasn't even the plan. But y'all, I shaved my arms. Oh, look at my skin. I love shaving my arms. I like having smooth arms. I don't really, like when I was younger, of course, it never crossed my mind. I always thought like, if I shave, it's gonna grow back thicker. My arm hair, y'all, my arm hair grows back so slow. It takes about 2 months for it to fully grow back out to where it's like I've never shaved my arms a day in my life. But when it comes to my legs, like I shaved my legs today, y'all, sometime tomorrow my legs are going to be, the hair is going to be like that big, because it grows back very fast. But I'm gonna just put another second layer of this on, and then I'm also going to be putting on some perfume. Even though I'm gonna be chilling and staying in the house for the rest of the night, y'all, put some perfume on, because like I always, I'm not good at keeping routines, but if there's something exciting that I can look forward to, that'll make me interested in doing the routine. So for me, something that keeps me going, I like to have something to look forward to. So a lotion that smells good, a perfume that smells good, doing a face mask, doing my brows, whatever it is, something to look forward to. Like for your morning routine, say like in the morning I'm gonna make my favorite breakfast, or I'm gonna make me my favorite drink, favorite coffee, whatever it is, y'all, make it for yourself. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the Blue Ocean Pure Femme. Feel me? Feel me? I'm gonna be using this because this stuff smells so good. I'm just gonna put this on all over. I love the way this stuff smells. It smells great. I like to smell good when I go to sleep. Like, I want to wake up and like, cause I sleep like this. So when I wake up, I want to go like and smell yesterday. Okay, so I just moved you guys down to my handheld tripod, and I'm just kind of straightening up in here a little bit because I'm about to lay down. I'm kind of hungry because my mom got us some Taco Bell, the breakfast crunch wraps. Those are my absolute favorite things in the whole entire world. And she got us some for breakfast this morning. So I'm looking for my other house shoes. Yeah, my nails wanna pop off. I got my little house shoes on because they're so comfortable. So I made my tea. I am starving. So I'm going to make me a salad. We have some Texas toast. I want some with my salad, but I don't feel like doing all that. Because normally I don't put it in the oven because I gotta wait for that to preheat. But the air fryer gets the job done. But I don't feel like doing that. I just don't. So I was thinking, like, could I put it in the toaster? And just... Nah, I don't think I should. But I'm feeling, like, dizzy and stuff. But I do want some bread. And then we just have this Caesar salad kit. Air fryer has been acquired. I've been down to eating 1 meal a day, which is amazeballs. All praises to the Most High, because y'all, I have been down to 1 meal a day, which has been great. You know, don't get me wrong, but it's what I'm eating that is throwing me off. Because I had, like I told you guys, I had the breakfast earlier today, and then that's all I ate. I ate that at 10 o'clock this morning. It is 8:55 at night, about to be 9 o'clock, and I haven't ate anything else since then. Drinking water in between time. But I am starving to the point where I feel like I'm not ate all day and I'm feeling really weak. And any other big word, that means I'm just hungry. So I'm about to pop this in the air fryer. Because y'all, I am starving. And there's 2 pieces of bread left. Perfect. I was gonna have some coffee, like I mentioned earlier, but I'll save that for tomorrow. So my nails don't pop out. My thumbnail. I'll glue it on later, but oh, I'm so tired. I'm feeling like dizzy and sick all in one. Feeling very nauseous. Y'all make sure y'all eating y'all food. So kind of just the way to end the night. We're gonna have some salad. That's so hot. I'm about to eat this whole bag. Yeah. Hopefully y'all can see. But there's the salad. Got my tea and my eyeglass. We'll cut this bad boy open. I'm shaking. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh. Y'all. We are about to grab videos. Well, they'll leave it just like this. And like, okay, guys. Like, are you kidding me? Get all that ranch up out of there. But let's drizzle all that good stuff. Out of here like so. Anyways, I gotta mix up the salad, but this is just what it looks like. It looks so good. Alright, y'all, so we got the garlic bread, we got the ginger tea, we got the salad. Yeah, when I tell you we're finna turn up, but this is just everything that I got. Yeah, we about to take it back to my room and we finna post up. Okay, come on, let's go. Hey guys, so we are back. We are now in my room. And here is, I have all my food on here. I put my water bottle in the little cup holder thing. My tea's over here because I can live with that spilling on the bed, even if the lid's off or something that spills, which I can live with that. That hot ginger tea seeping through the covers onto my legs. No.
Baby, just do it for you.
It's 11:02. But tell me why. Tell me why. You know how on Netflix it'll have like a home page thing and it'll tell you like new movies that just came out? Who's gonna tell me? I have been waiting to watch this movie, but who was gonna tell me? Who was gonna tell me? Now I know what I'm staying up for the next 2 hours for. We're gonna watch it twice, maybe even 3 times. Anyways, yeah. Oh, hold on, my mom's calling me. Yo, I am about to watch this movie. So a couple months, man, I think it was like early this year. My mom, my sister, and I, we went to the movies. We went to go see Nope. I think we went to go see Nope. So around that time. And then the preview came on the movie screen, right? And like movies just hit different when you're in the movie theaters. And on the big jumbo screen, I said I have got to see that movie. Then it came out in theaters, and then it was on Amazon Prime for like $13.99. I said I'm not renting no movie to watch it once for 24 hours. No. I need to take my time. I need to really evaluate what it is, process what it is I'm watching. So I am about to turn up. My mom just called me. She got off the phone. She bringing me some snacks. Oh, I got some hot Cheetos, a tea, and some cookies coming. I am finna turn up. I'm finna turn all the way. Y'all, I don't even know. I think we're gonna end the vlog when my mom gets back home. And I'll show y'all the snacks, all that, and then we're gonna end that video there. But y'all, if y'all haven't already, go watch that movie. Go watch Don't Worry, Darling. And y'all, I get really bad headaches, and hold on. I'm about to go watch Don't Worry, Darling. So yeah, I'll check back in with y'all in a minute. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all. That's how it was.
Yum yum a purr.
Hey guys, so quick update. My mom brought back my snacks. So we got some hot Cheetos, some chocolate chip cookies, and a bottle of Arizona watermelon tea. So I am about to get all set up. And we're about to have a little mini movie night. Thank you guys so much. And once again, thank you so much for sticking with me and watching my video. And I will catch y'all later.